Hey guys, welcome to this video where I'm going to show you how I got these nails right here. These are fairy core nails, so pretty and so girly, and it was so quick and easy. So I'm going to show you from start to finish exactly how I did them. So starting off, I grabbed my XXL stiletto tips and I have them prepped just by wiping them down with acetone. So that just removes the shine from the nail tips. And then I'm going to grab this Born Pretty JN53. So this is kind of like a pink base with a little hint of shimmery glitter throughout. It's such a gorgeous colour. I've used it a lot now since I've gotten it, and yeah, I keep going back to it because it's just so good for like a French base or a base for nail art. I really do recommend, if you're going to get any colour from Born Pretty, get this one. It is stunning. So I'm just going to do 2 coats of this one, and then I am going to come back to you for the next part of the design. And yeah, I'm going to leave any discount codes I have in the description, so be sure to check out the description box. Okay guys, so I've done 2 coats on all of those nails except for the ring finger because I just need 1 coat for that one. And then I'm going to grab these little pearls. They're kind of iridescent pearly charms, and I'm going to go in with my Macarte rhinestone glue. So this will be the index finger, and I'm just going to use a striper brush to pick up little dots of that glue so I don't put too much on. And I'm just going to place the glue exactly where I want it. So I'm going to place 4 of these pearls on the nail. So I'm just kind of placing the glue wherever I want it, and then I'm going to use my wax pencil to pick up these little pearls and pop them onto the nail. So this is my favourite rhinestone glue. It's so good, the Macarte rhinestone glue. It's an oldie but a goodie. I only recently tried it, I think this year, but I have seen people use it for so long, but I can see why it is so good. It just holds those crystals and gems in place. And then once I have these on, I'm going to pop them into the lamp, and then I'm going to grab my Glitterbels white paint, and I'm just going to paint on some white abstract lines and dots, kind of like the 90s style, you know, with those lines and dots, just wherever I feel like it needs it on the nail. And that will be this nail complete. So guys, I hope you're enjoying this video. I hope you're keeping well and happy. And if you're enjoying this or getting any benefit from it, please hit the subscribe button. And also, if you have any questions, don't be afraid to comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible. I always get back to all my comments. And next up then, I'm just going to grab this charm box here and these lovely butterfly charms that came from Shein. And I'm going to pop some Macarte rhinestone glue on the centre of the nail again, and then I'm just going to place the butterfly on top. And once I'm happy with the placement, I am going to just cure that for 60 seconds. And then I pulled out these stickers that I got from Shein. I think I got these over a year ago, and I haven't used them at all, so I thought they'd be perfect for this fairy core theme. And I'm just using a really thin eyelash tweezers to place those stickers on, and they worked really well actually. Sometimes stickers can be a bit finicky, but these ones were really good, and there was no problem sticking them on. I just gave the nail a little small swipe of a lint-free wipe with a little bit of acetone on it, just to make sure that there was no sticky layer. Sometimes with stickers, if there is any dispersion layer left on the nail, it is really hard for them to stick then. So just give it a little wipe with acetone, not too much, and then the stickers go on a lot better. Okay, so I just slowed that down just to have a moment of appreciation for that nail and how it turned out. I thought it was so pretty. And then on to the pinky. So what I did for the pinky was, just to keep it nice and delicate, I lined up two stickers at the very tip of the nail. So just two flowers kind of adjacent to one another like this. It looks like nearly a little French of flowers. And yeah, I just kept it nice and simple just for the pinky, because the pinky is nice and delicate. And then up next, we're going to have the ring fingernail. So I grabbed some clear builder gel. So you can grab any clear builder gel that you have, or else the McCart rhinestone glue would work for this as well. Along with my striper brush, then I pick up a generous amount and I just go along the nail and paint on these swirls. So they're kind of like the unicorn swirls. Basically, it's to create this 3D clear gel effect on the nail. And I am picking up a generous amount each time and I'm just swirling the gel down the nail. And the trick is to kind of have the thicker amount at the start of your swirl, and then as you finish your swirl, it just tapers off and gets a little bit thinner. So once you've finished applying the gel and you've cured it in the lamp, I'm just going to go in with my top coat now. So you want to go in with a no wipe top coat, whatever brand you have, as long as it's no wipe, and make sure that you're covering all the indents and everything like that. And then I cure it for 30 seconds and I'm going to use some of this Magpie dust. And this is Connie. So she is a beautiful pinky type dust. And once that nail comes out of the lamp, I only pop it in for about 30 seconds. And then I'm going to rub this chrome all the way over the nail using an eyeshadow brush, and making sure I get all the little crevices and everything like that. And once that's done, then I pop it back in the lamp to finish for a full cure. So just finishing off now with a no wipe top coat, I'm just going to go in and top coat around all the nails and all around all the charms, and then I'm going to pop that in for a full cure also. So thank you so much if you made it this far into this video. I appreciate it. I hope you enjoyed it, and if you haven't subscribed, consider hitting the subscribe button for more videos like this. I'm so happy with how these turned out. They're so pretty and so girly, and yeah, thank you so much, and I'll see you in the next one.